Hey everybody, it is day 14, so 2 weeks into this. 2 weeks ago today, I had my surgery, and I gotta say, day 14, I feel like I have turned a corner. This morning, I had the staples taken out of the incision area. I'll post a blurred picture of that, I think. And really, much more importantly, each day for I'd say the last several days, I felt like the swelling was getting a little bit better. But today, it is noticeably better. The swelling, it is, yeah, I can't begin to describe how much better the swelling feels. Like instead of like having this big, huge, massive pudding in my leg, it feels like it's a medium level amount of pudding, but that difference makes a big deal. And also, with the staples gone from the incision area, all those times that you'd have like I would have my sweatpants or my shorts or even the bed sheet snag on a staple, and that would hurt. That's gone. As far as the actual removal of the staples, that wasn't bad at all. It was, a little painful every now and again, there were 28 staples. And so every now and again, I'd say probably like 5 in total. Hurt a little bit, and you kind of had to catch yourself because you'd kind of flinch your knee, but it was over fairly quickly. And once again, I'm going to stick with the theme of the glass is half full. It really feels like it. That inner knee pain that I used to live with for years is gone. The swelling is getting better. The bruising also, looking a little bit at the leg, the bruising seems to have gotten better too. The staples are gone. The snagging of cloth on this staples are gone. Day 14, 2 weeks into it, definitely feels like a corner has been turned. PT has still been kicking my butt. PT yesterday, got back and I slept for like an hour and a half, but hey, even that's getting better. Oh, and one last thing so in my assessment yesterday at PT, I was able to go from like maybe 7 degrees or 7 or 8 degrees, not quite flat. And then I was getting to about 85 degrees, to 85 degrees, bending the knee. And I guess the hope was that I'd be closer to 0 degrees, so completely flat, to 90. So I am a little behind the average, but not so far to be worried about it. So hey, that's it for my video diary entry for today. If you're going through this, hopefully for you, you'll have that day when you turn the corner in 14 days or less. All right, good luck.